Okay, two things. One, at Walmart, I got the 8-piece Camping Explorer kit. Let me, in a second, let me get the knife. Because it'll be easy if I got a knife. I want to see what's in here. I got two things. I did a scenario of what if at Dollar Tree. Then, okay, so you get paracord. See what you get. You'll get duct tape. This is actually duct tape. Yeah. 14.76-foot roll of duct tape. Okay, 20 foot of 550 paracord. I don't believe that. A fill rod. It's supposed to, let me see if it's actually magnesium. No, it's not. What's it with Walmart? It says it's magnesium, but it's not. Okay, so it literally says magnesium fire starter. That's bullcrap. That's bullcrap. Because if it was magnesium, you would have like one side as a fill rod, like that's E, and this is a fill rod. So if I do my 2C kit, which I can right now, bam, second C. Haha. Oh yeah, that's right. It comes with a let me get the rechargeable thing. It comes with a rechargeable flashlight. Let's see if this can actually turn on. Okay, if I can do it. Let me see. Why should we no freaking? Is there a way not to? Oh wait. Jesus Christ! That blinded the Jesus out. We can just use this. Because Jesus Christ. See that? You see that brightness? Turn on the bright if you have bright on. And it comes with this and a compass, which is going to be a cheaper little compass. Whistle. This is actually going to be, let me see. Oh yeah, this is it? I don't know. Oh yeah. This is definitely going to be able to cut stuff. I don't know if it's Ozark branded. No, it is not. I could actually use one of these with me. This is actually Explorer kit. You get a bag with it. Also. A big bag, actually. Big enough. With the that is Ozark branded. Jesus Christ! Okay, there we go. Let me guess. The next setting is flash. Off. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So bottom one is the big flash, and the top one is the small flash. This is a whistle, an electro branded whistle. You know what these are. These are cheap as crap. It is branded Ozark Trail. It's all pretty much branded Ozark Trail. Let me see if this is south. Let me Yep, it's accurate because right here is south. It's a. I like this one. I'll use it. And then this should be. Oh, you get a cord. This is gonna be not. It's gonna be useless. These are always useless. So yeah. Then you get some binoculars. Yeah. With a cloth. Yeah. Wheel! Get a cloth with it. I just want to see what these. I'm gonna test these out right now. Oh wait. Yeah. Oh yeah, these are freaking magnetized. Or like magnification. So yeah. Oh, a plastic came out. So yeah. Now for the second thing. Wait, I forgot. This came in a case. Oh, the case is actually decent. It's a standard, decent, one you'll find. It does have magnification. 8 times blah blah blah. It is also branded, and such. Life is such. Yeah, let's get the good stuff. Let's get the other thing out of the way. I have a whole freaking thing of Haribo things up there. Pretty nice, I think. I also did, what if I was in a survival situation, right? And the only thing I had was, by the way, that's about glucona. Because the doctor said, your sugar's too high. I'm like, well, I fast. You idiot. But yeah, I did buy a few things, though. If you don't know, Dollar Tree has contractor bags. There are 10 bags in here, though, for like $5. But that's okay. So I have that for like a shelter type thing. I also have this for a shelter type thing for a bottom to lay on. I bought... Oh yeah. I forgot I bought this. This is... So I feel like if I'm bored, writing stuff. Got some more of these, because why not? For candling, I got these. And I got 2 of these type of candles. So, yeah. Got a stylus pen to write in the thing. I got 2 things of paracord, 1 orange, 1 yellow. Okay. Then, I got some food. 2 power blends. 2 protein blends. And a water. So, yeah. Where's the other Dollar Tree bag go? Huh, let me find the other Dollar Tree bag real quick. What? Huh. No, yeah, I did get it, but where'd it go? Wow. I lost the other bag. Anyway, the other bag had the other seeds in it. I think I know what the bag is. 1 second. Yep, I put it back out there. But yeah, for my container, I got this. It is single walled, so I'll be able to cook in it. I got notepads. I did get a stylus pen. I didn't show. Stupid me, right? I got a magnifying glass for magnifying, obviously. As you see, it is working. And I got like 3 tulips. I got 2 or 3 different. This is what if I'm in a Dollar Tree. Crap hits the fan. Got that. 2 jersey gloves. I got 2 pairs of jersey. Yeah, 2 pairs of jersey gloves. 2. Yeah. I do have a bag for it too, but look at this. What's this? Yeah, I bought this for no reason, honestly. I got 3 of these, like little towel things. And I got a bag for it. So yeah. You see the little cheapo ones? Yeah, that's what I got. The scenario I was running was, what if I'm in Dollar Tree? and SHTF happens. What am I gonna do? Right? What would I put in a kit? At least a basic 5 to 7 seed kit will be what I'm aiming for. So I can have more options for myself. Food and all that. Also, to keep myself clean in this situation, I got some disposable washcloths. So yeah, that's what I got from Walmart and from Dollar Tree. Anyway, this is post-fox survival. Help you survive in the wasteland, and helping you with budgeting a survival kit. Peace.